Hi, can you tell me about yourself?
I'm Jesselger Arcelias Abenya. I am 39 years old. I living at Legazpi City, Albay. I am married person.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have. I have 3 kids with 2 boys and 1 girl. My eldest is 14 years old, the middle is 10 years old, and the youngest is 7 years old.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 1 siblings and I am the eldest.
Tell me about your educational background.
I am graduated at Bachelor of Science in Commerce, major in Computer Science at Bugu City, Cebu.
Do you have work experience abroad?
No, I don't have.
Do you have local experience here in the Philippines?
Yes, I have for 4 years.
And your duties are?
Cleaning, washing clothes, ironing, cooking, and gardening.
Okay, how would you describe yourself?
I am honest person. I am hardworking and willing to learn.
Okay, do you have any tattoo in your body?
No, I don't have.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
Yes, I have via cesarean section 2011, 2015, and 2019.
Why do you want to work abroad?
For the future of my children and also my family.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No,
Now give me your idea. How can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I'll calm my voice and talk to them calmly.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
For my future employer, Ma'am, Sir, I promise to be a good worker, and I can assure you that I am hardworking, honest, and if you have a children, I will love them as my own, and I will finish my contract. Thank you very much.
Thank you.